Welcome to Module 1. Module 1 is going to be about intervals. But where we're going to start is by talking about major scales theory. Major scale sounds like this. Or like this. Or this. Now tell me if this is major scale or not. It is. How about this one? That wasn't a major scale. So if you pay attention, major scale has certain type of sound. And the reason every major scale has certain type of sound is because every major scale is made up of same sequence of whole steps and half steps. It goes like this. Look at the handout. It goes whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Let's say that again. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So I want you to just memorize that whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half. Now, at the same time, we're not going to try to count what we play the piano because, as I've said in some of my other videos, if you're counting while you're trying to play the piano, you will never be able to play the music on time. So we are going to use our 5-finger scales to work on our major scales. But before we do that, let's define major scale a little bit more. Hi, this is Kristina Lee. If you're enjoying this lesson, it's actually taken from my course, Piano Mastery Intermediate. It's currently available at early access pricing, and you will find the link below in the description. And if you like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. So major scale, like 1 octave of major scale, there are 8 notes. But the first note, which is sometimes called tonic, and the last note in 1 octave of major scale are the same letter name. So in a major scale, there are 7 different letter names. When we talk about the different letter names in a major scale, we can either call them by their degree. So the first note is degree 1, second note would be degree 2. My preferred way is to actually just use solfege, also known as do, re, mi. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Depending on where you live, you might say do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. And one of the most important things to remember is that in a major scale, there's half step between mi, fa, and also between ti, do. Or if we say it by degree names, we have half step between degree 3 and 4, between the 3rd and the 4th note, or degree 7 and 8. In the next lesson, I'm going to work on figuring out all the letter names of the major scale with you. So meet me there.